Now let's see how to set up the shipping label. With this feature, you can create a packing slip or shipping label that will be pasted on your parcel for delivery. The shipping label can be saved in the PDF form and printed from Kaojao so that you can send the tracking and parcel number back to your customers. This will save your time and increase the speed of delivery. To create a shipping label, log into Kaojao and then choose Manage Page and Auto Response System option. Now go to the page you want to set up and then click on Manage. Now go to the Orders menu. After that, click on the orders number and select the order you want to print the shipping label. For example, I will choose 3 of them. After that, click on print icon. And this is how the delivery slip will look like. And in case you want to print the delivery slip for many orders at once, click on the top blue box icon and click on the printer icon as the previous process. If you click here, it means that you would like to print or order slip. And click on print again. And this is how the delivery slip will look like. Now, if you want to send the delivery information to your customers, it can be done by the following step as well. Click on the orders number. For example, I will choose that. Scroll down to the shipping section and click on the drop-down menu. Then select the shipping fulfilled option. Then click on Send to Customer. And this is how the information will be visible in the customer inbox.